now right here with Shaan and Diksha. Hey Diksha, what's up? For this Karva Chauth, I thought to create this beautiful look on Diksha using only Colorbar products. And Diksha, what do you think about this look?
I love it. It looks amazing. It's glam and I can just straight head for Karva Chauth.
Oh, also you learned a lot of new tricks.
A lot of new tricks and a lot of prep before I do my makeup. That is something I learned so that I can do that in the future.
Don't say, for that you guys have to stay tuned. How I created this beautiful look on Diksha, stay tuned and see step by step. So to start this look, of course, you guys all know you guys have to have really nice clean skin, and for that I'm going to use the Fresh Start Water Cleanser. So guys, now step number 2 is very important, moisturizing, and for that I'm going to use the Karva Cellular Dry Oil. Have you ever used this, Diksha?
No, I haven't, and I'd love to try it.
I'm going to use the foundation brush by Colorbar, and now I'm applying the cellular dry oil all over the face of Diksha so that I have a really nice, clean, hydrated skin. So now it's step 3, and I'm going to use the Colorbar Perfect Match Primer, and it's an amazing product which is oil-free base. And right now I'm going to apply this primer so that I know the pores are closed and Diksha's skin is totally ready to get the glam look on. And make sure you guys apply the same base and cream even on the neck so that the texture of the skin looks the same and the base also blends equally and stays longer on the skin. So now I have done the priming and the skin is getting ready. Always after using primer, make sure that you guys wait at least for 10 minutes, and I prefer to always start with the eye makeup and to prime the face and keep it ready. But before starting the eye, I always like to use something which is known as the lip balm, and Colorbar has come with this amazing cute lip balm which is known as Oh So Happy. And do you know why it's called Oh So Happy?
Because it contains serotonin?
Yes, exactly! It has serotonin and it's so crazy. I've never had this before till I was doing recently the shoot with Colorbar and they showed me this product, and I was like so excited because it's so crazy. It makes you happy when you apply it on your lips, and every time you feel happy. So let's see how happy Diksha is going to feel. Is that changed already? Now to start the eyes, I'm going to use the Colorbar Hook Me Up palette, and I love this beautiful maroon and red which you guys can see. So I'm going to mix these beautiful 2 colors. I'm going to start using this color from the outer corner of the eyes, and I'm blending it into the inner corner. I prefer to use this color really little again on the outer corner to highlight the eyes so that you get more definition and the eye makeup is nice and makes the eyes look larger than life. And now of course, icing on the cake is always the glamour, the shimmer, right? And I'm going to use number 2 Orion. It's a beautiful, nice golden color, guys, as you guys can see, and it has a lot of shimmer. Now there's 2 ways to apply it. You guys either use it directly and smudge it with your fingers, or even you guys can use a brush. Now second part I'm going to do is going to use the Moon Lava color Galaxy number 5. I'm going to use it in the outer corner of the eye for that little shading, because then you can see the nice highlighted color, and I'm going to smudge it out. And the ends I'm going to only softly blend so that I have no strong line. Use the same color on the eyelash close to the lash line also, so that I can get a nice soft defined line, like a liner. I'm going to use the same color Galaxy on the lower lid till half. so that it's nice and shiny. The glam part is there. So I'm going to start around in the front and I'm going to smudge it with the Galaxy. Now I'm using the Colorbar eyelash curler. Now I'm going to use the Colorbar Zoom and Whoosh mascara. Nicely on the roots, start from the roots, nice and heavy. Now it's time, of course, for base. The eyes are done. Always what I love to use is I'm going to use the Colorbar blender, and I love to dab it once more so that the base really goes and sits into your skin and looks as natural as possible. For Disha's under eyes, I'm going to use two concealer colors, concealer color 003 Satin and 004 Silk, and I'm mixing these two colors for Disha. And I'm going to start with the darker color on the inner corner, which I always feel it's nicer to use darker in the inner corner. And then outer, a little bit more brighter, and blend. Now it's time to take the loose powder, and I love to take the loose powder, but the dark mode. And order it and make it nice and matte. Now it's time for the contouring, and for that I'm definitely using the Colorbar color. Now it's time for Sweet Scarlet 016 blusher, and for that I'm going to use the Blush Brush Colorbar 210. Now I'm going to use the Coral Cravings 009 only on the outer of the cheeks. Now it's time definitely for the highlighter, and I'm going to use the Colorbar Perfect Selfie highlighter, and this is a really nice bright color. Now it's time for us to use the Colorbar Wow Brow Pencil. It has hair fiber. I've used the first coat of Wow Brow Pencil on the eyebrows. Now it's time for Definer lip liner. So whenever you guys do your lip liner, what you guys can do is either keep the same shape how the shape is, or enhance the lips by using a lip liner. Now of course it's the final time for finishing this look on Disha. For that I'm going to use Colorbar Drama Blast. It's such a beautiful lipstick. Look at this, it's so funky, and I'm going to apply this directly on Disha's. And so guys, is the look finished? And Disha, what do you think?
It's actually very nice. It's a mix of tradition but not very like in your face bright, and I love the eyes because they're glittery, but again they're not like
out there. What I really love is the eyes are so subtle, but you see this beautiful color, and I love their new range because they have launched 6 colors and it's metallic. I hope you guys learn how to recreate this look, right?
Absolutely, and it is so easy to do, not just for Karva Chauth, but I think anytime during this festive season you can create this look for whatever parties you're attending or events that you have to go to. It's perfect.
Yes, and I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time with another Colorbar look, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And from my and Disha's side, have a crazy Karva Chauth.
Have a lovely festival.